If your Xiaomi Redmi A5 doesn't connect to your computer the way you want, like when you plug it in and it just charges instead of transferring files, this video will help you fix that. You can easily change the default USB configuration through developer options, so your phone always connects exactly how you prefer. Here's how to do it. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap System. If you don't see developer options here, you'll need to unlock it first. To do that, go back to the main settings menu, tap About Phone, then repeatedly tap Build Number until you see the message saying, "You are now a developer." Once that message appears, return to the System menu. You should now see Developer Options listed. Tap Developer Options, then scroll down to the Networking section. Find Default USB Configuration and tap it. You'll see several options, including File Transfer for moving files between your phone and computer, USB Tethering to share your phone's internet connection, MIDI for connecting musical instruments, PTP for transferring photos, and No Data Transfer for charging only. By default, it's usually set to No Data Transfer. To change it, select File Transfer so that whenever you plug your phone into a computer, it's ready to transfer files immediately. From now on, your Redmi A5 will automatically connect using your chosen USB mode. Just remember, for your data privacy and security, only connect to trusted computers or devices, especially when file transfer is enabled. If you ever want to change this again, simply return to Developer Options, Default USB Configuration, and choose a different mode. And that's it. You've just learned how to change your default USB configuration on your Xiaomi Redmi A5 so it connects exactly how you want every time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and check out my other Xiaomi tutorials to get the most out of your device. Thanks for watching.